Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to draw another hip complex groove. Alright, first off, we're going to need to do rectangle as usual if you watch my videos. And for this one, I'm going to use 10,000. You can use whatever one, it doesn't really matter. But make sure it doesn't be like too long and too short. 5,000, tab 5,000, enter. After that, you're going to draw another rectangle. Go or square allegedly like right there. Then we're gonna move to this for this corner to pop like right there. And yeah, also make sure you don't like trim this part right here because that's very important. Alright, go from this middle, the midpoint, all the way to this corner or this corner there, and from here up, and then go start from here, line enter, start from here, there, enter, and then space bar or enter key, space bar to reactivate, enter key, click from this corner to that corner, and to this corner again. Click this corner to that corner, and yeah. And you can also delete the circles if you want, if it confuses you. And then circle again, here, right there, and then line, click there, click that, click there, click there, go up, make sure it cuts that line, enter. Remember, do not trim this part because this is generated from a corner. Remember the rule. Hip rafters, these two things are hip rafters, and make sure hip rafters are made between corners, and this is not a corner, so delete. Trim that, trim right there, and you're done. Oh wait, no, you're not done. Line, enter, click from there and there, and now you're done. Now, all right. Now we're gonna do the view. X out, enter, vertical. Sorry about that, guys. Click there, click that, click there, and don't click there. Alright. After that, guys, you're gonna draw a line right here. Make sure it's not too. Actually, you can use. Oh yeah, also I forgot to mention. You can go from right here, draw a line there, or above if you want. Alright. Go from there. Nah, that's too long. Go from there, right there. Easy. That's easy right there. Next, you're gonna do a line again. Right there. Right here. No, don't click. Tab 30, enter 30, and trim this axis right there. Then go from it, bam, and bam. Next, we're gonna draw the facial board. So you go here, go down 250, 250, right there, and then you go. Well, where is that point? No, wait. Go down 250, enter. And from that point, actually, you can use circle. In this, I'm gonna go all the way right here, perpendicular. Go to this point. In some cases, I like to use rectangle. Go and go there. And after that, After that, you're gonna use circle again. Click there, which is now the bridge should be 450, 450, enter. And then from that point, you can go down 2,400. 2,400. After that, you're gonna go to the next part and do the exact same thing. So you know the measurements. 450, 450, enter. Fine. Go down to 4,400 as usual. Line. Click there. Click that. And then delete the circles if you can't see. If you're gonna get confused. Alright. You know it? Alright. Now we're gonna do another part. Now, according from this view, we're gonna make like a view of where it's supposed to be. Alright? Oh, yeah. X line. No, I don't need this point no more. XL, X line. Vertical again. Click there. Click right there. And then you should have this point right there. So we're gonna. So now, I'm actually I don't think you really need this part, but I'm gonna let it stay. All right. After that, no. Actually, I'm gonna do excellent again. This is a very different way, which I want it to be. Then we're gonna mirror. My mirror line should be about right here. Oh, also, oh, I'm a mistake. MI, enter, click there, enter. Then you're gonna go down a little bit. Just go down. Simple as that. And go down right here. Enter. And then I like to use rectangle so to flip this up a little bit. You don't really need to do it, but I like to do it. After that, you're done pretty much. After that, guys, you wanna. Oh wait, no, you forgot to do the walls there. Sorry about that. Okay, from there to 50. No. 450, 450. Enter. Go down from right there, and from the other point too. From the other point, right there. 450. Enter. Click there, and it should line up with there, which mine did. And yeah, and then I'm gonna use MA mass property. MA there. Bum 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 Oh, I forgot to trim this part excess out. Here, enter. And then MA once again. No. MA, enter. Click that. Click there. Click there. And you guys should be done. But if you want to do this one trick, you need to have this layer called material roofing. Then you go to this icon right here, hatch, or you could just do ATCH, enter, and you and wait, and you might see solid. Click this point and go down till you see. Go down till you see. Go down, down. until you see like, where is it? Where is that one? Boom. Bum, 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 bum. Oh yeah, this is the one right here. ARBAA. Do it right there. Do it right there. Do it right there. Do it right there. Everything on this one. Bum, 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 bum. And also, reminder, you don't have to do this. If you want it to look like very neat and like perfect and like realistic, you can do that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this for today's video. I hope please consider liking and subscribing to my channel and my dad's channel. You guys are the best. You're my favorite viewers. Bye!